Hey everybody, I'm Anna Blunt. Thank you so much for stopping by my art channel. So as you may or may not know, I have three wonderful kids, aged 9, 6, and 3. And life is a little busy right now. So we've got summer vacation coming up, we're about to start another year of homeschooling, and I'm also preparing for my big annual craft festival in September. So life is kind of filled to capacity right now. And then on top of that, I've had a couple of commissioned seahorses which I've been working on, and they've turned out great, and I'm so happy for the opportunity to make those for people. But when I do that, it takes my time away from creating content for my channel because they happen to look identical to the two videos that I already have up. So who needs a third or a fourth one? So what that means is I have to take a little break on my YouTube channel just for a few weeks. Let me talk through what that's going to look like. For the next 6 weeks, I will not be putting up new tutorials on Mondays, but I will keep my Thursday videos going, which are the relaxing instrumental painting videos, which are at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So if you happen to be online from about 9 to 9:15 a.m. Thursday mornings Eastern Time, I would love it if you hopped on the premiere with me and chatted in the live chat. My big annual craft show, which I am just preparing like crazy for, is Treasure Mountain Festival, which is held in Franklin, West Virginia from September 16th to 18th. So if you happen to be within driving distance of Franklin, I would totally love it if you came and stopped by my booth and said hi. So while you're waiting for the tutorial videos to resume on September 26th, let me just point you to some playlists which have videos that you might not have seen at this point. First up is my 31 Paintings for the New Year playlist, which is a series that I did this past January, where I did a video every single day of the month demonstrating a whole bunch of fluid art techniques. So you can find all of those videos right here at this link that's popping up. Next is my Tips and Tricks playlist, which covers a lot of the basics. Think of it as the behind the scenes of acrylic pouring, where I talk about how to mix your paint, how to clean or varnish an acrylic painting, how to tighten a loose canvas, how to mix mica powders for acrylic pouring, stuff like that. And you can find that playlist right here. And then of course I have my Relaxing Instrumental Paintings playlist, which is perfect if you just want to chill and watch me make some satisfying art. So as of this moment, there are 24 videos in that playlist, and I'm adding to that number every single week. So we're talking hours and hours of watching material, and you can find that right here. Thanks in advance for your patience with me as I'm taking this break. I really want to make sure that my family is my #1 priority, and that my YouTube channel is secondary to that. But I do have some really cool paintings in the works right now, and I can't wait to share those with you when I return in a few weeks. Thanks for watching. See you soon.